Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to find saved files on iPhone. To find saved files on an iPhone, all you have to do is follow the steps. First of all, open up the File application. Once you get into the Files app, you will see all the saved files in it. Then from the file, take back a step and you will find various options, like iCloud Drive on my iPhone, Drive and Recently Deleted option. Now click on iCloud Drive option from here. You can see all of your iCloud files in here. Then, from the following options, you can see different saves from the different platforms. Remember that the location of saved files may vary depending on the app and where you choose to save them. If you're unable to find a specific file, you may need to consider where you initially saved it and check the corresponding app or location. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.